So you've decided it's time to replace your old car with a newer, used car. But how can you make sure whether the car you're looking at is a great deal or you're just buying someone else's problem? Before you lay out your hard-earned dollars on a used car, take it to your nearby Cottman Transmission and Total Auto Care Center for a complete pre-purchase checkup. Your friendly Cottman man will go over the car from bumper to bumper to look for any problems that might be lurking under the hood. And they'll provide you with a checklist of anything they find, along with an estimate for repairs. You can use that checklist to negotiate a better deal or to decide whether you should pass on it altogether. The Cottman pre-purchase checkup is the smart way to make sure you know what you're buying. Till next time.
He's my Cottman man and he keeps me rolling along.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please check out the other videos in the Cottman Man and Transmission Physician Educational Video Series. And make sure to subscribe below if you haven't already. Check out Cottman.com for new videos and other updates.